Alright everyone, we have finally made it to our destination. We're gonna hike maybe a mile to our fishing spot, but we are out here in the California coast because today we are gonna go rock fishing. I have a new rod that my fiance bought me for my birthday, and I also got a new reel for my birthday that I bought myself. It is the Daiwa BG 5000, and the rod is the Saltiga travel rod 7.4 medium power. I'm gonna be using this setup for tropical fish when we go to Hawaii and our honeymoon, but today I'm also gonna be using this for rock fishing, so hopefully we can slay them. What's your name and age?
Hi, my name's Jonah. I just turned 18.
And I'm Andrew. I'm a fly fisherman. It's gonna be my first time bait fishing today.
Yes, let's go. We are gonna catch so much fish today.
Okay.
So hopefully you guys are ready. Let's go in the water.
Can we use that as bait?
That's so cool.
Then he jumps.
Alright guys, we have finally made it to our spot. We got our braid to our 30-pound leader, got some squid on a hook, and a 2-ounce egg sinker. So let's go out there, let's catch some fish. Oh man, I'm so excited. This is my first time here. All our first time here actually. I have yet to catch a rockfish, which is kind of sad, but hopefully today will be the day. First cast, baby. Let's get it. Let's find us a school. Bottom already. This cast right there actually, straight in the middle. You know, maybe there's some fish hanging over there. Awesome. Okay. Bottom, I think. That's bottom right there. I'll switch over to the fair lawn. God damn it. Fuck. First spot we went to was a bus. It's not too deep there, so we're gonna try to go a little bit farther and see if there's deeper water along this little rocky coastline. We're at a little spot right now. We're gonna go up top, but I just can't help myself but to throw my little rig here to see if there's any potential fish hiding here. While I wait for Andrew and Jonah, I might as well just, you know, feel it out. Cast over here, see if there's any fish along these rocks. And if there are, hopefully we can get them. That's slippery, and sandy, and scary. Let's be safe. And let's just... Ooh. Alright. I just want to do a little cast like in this little area. Away from any crazy waves for now. Drop down. Come on, baby. Give me a fish. Pretty shallow here too. Not too deep. So I'm not expecting much. Just testing the waters, as I would like to say. Let's try over here. scary. Nice. Cool. Cast straight ahead. Swim bait time. Let's see if there's Lingcod anywhere. Where's the ling at, y'all? Oh, I'm wondering. Got one. Guys, I got one. I got a fish. I think, I'm pretty sure. I felt the head shakes. Oh, yep, I got a Lingcod.
No way.
Yep. We'll get it up. It's hooked for sure. Here, actually, can you hold the rod and then I'll bring it up. Yeah, just bring it close. We're good, we're good, we're good. Hold on. Oh yeah, my first Lingcod, baby. Woo!
Wow.
Hell yeah.
Sheesh. Hell yeah. Oh, look at those fucking teeth.
Woo! Never give up. We were about to leave, but you know what? I was like, chill out, brother. I was like, I'm gonna cast one more time. Bombed it. Guess what? My very first Lingcod, baby. We're gonna measure this first to see if it's a keeper. If it's 22, it's going in our stomachs. If not, we're throwing it back. So 0 up, just short. So we are gonna throw this back. It is a 20-incher. Legal limit's 22. Make sure you guys know that. Hold it inside like that. Sweet. Oh, ow! Oh, fuck. Got it out. Just like that, y'all. We got our first Lingcod ever. I've never caught a Lingcod yet, not even on a boat, so it's a very monumental moment for me. And you know what's crazy? The first time I caught a Lingcod was on that cliff, and I wasn't even able to get it because it broke off. So catching another Lingcod on a cliff comes full circle. It's kind of crazy. We're gonna still keep trying for ling. I'm just gonna throw it out, see if there's any ling around. If not, it's cool because we could always switch to the squid, because I also really want to catch rockfish because I want to eat it. After that first ling, we haven't been able to get any bites. We're gonna work our way up north now from where we parked and working along the cliffs on that side. Do you hear someone screaming right now? It's a must. Cheers, everyone. Cheers. Day's not over, baby. We're gonna work up north. Cheers. I've never opened this correctly. This is what you call an onigiri. Onigiri. Tuna mayo.
So pull the red. Yeah.
Easy. Okay.
Keep going. As far as you can go.
Keep going.
Yeah. There you go. Stop there. Stop there.
Oh, and then open like this.
No. Be careful. Do not grab the seaweeds because the seaweeds.
Oh. Just drops on the floor.
Please don't.
Oh, okay. Good enough, guys. Pretty good.